Good evening. So, welcome to another Dave's Adventures video. Again, this one will be a construction update on Hyperia. Obviously, it's a bit different because I'm at home and not down, obviously, Monk's Walk. But after seeing the images on Thorpe Park's Passholder Facebook group, more updates on Hyperia, more or less like the structure next to the station with at the time when I went down on the 11th of December. It's now the 22nd, 23rd when this video gets released. It's it's even more way up there. I mean, I did miss out on the first white piece of track going up. I did see gold being installed, which was brilliant because I do love seeing track being installed, bolted in to the support structure. But my god, it's really coming along. And now, obviously, by watching Jack's video from like the factory where they were doing, I think, theming for the queue lines, as well as more aesthetic jobs on like the queue line fencing, for instance, plus the different buildings. That was really fascinating. I thought, wow, this is a bit different. So yeah, it was awesome. Like especially seeing Jack's video on it, and yeah, but my god, when I get back down to Monk's Walk again, probably it will be after New Year, guaranteed, because obviously 3 more days it's Christmas Day. See all the workmen, yeah. Obviously Christmas, everything stops, but that's alright. But yeah, I mean, like I said previously, I'll be going back down hopefully on the 8th of January, because like next day I'm off work will be New Year's Day, but I just think it's still, new year 2024, especially when new brand new coasters coming about, plus the retheming of Nemesis being, opening up 2024 again. See what that's going to be like compared to the old style. And yeah, I mean, just if you see these images, it's wow, it's really unbelievable. I mean, earlier today I was watching an update video from Adrian and Megan's YouTube channel, Treehouse Coasters, and seeing the details, my god, it's something else. It really is. It's gonna be one hell of a coaster. I can see definitely my number two, I reckon. Possibly my number one. It all depends what it's gonna be like in general. So anyway, that's it for a really quick update on Hyperia. If you did enjoy this particular video, please do give it a big thumbs up, as I do appreciate it. Please do share if you want to, of course. Do leave me a comment. I'm really excited for Hyperia with the progress of the construction update so far. I certainly am. I just want to see what your opinions are. And lastly, if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Dave's Adventures. So I'll say goodbye and good night and Merry Christmas to each and every one of you out there. Bye, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.